Hello. Hello, how can I help you? I need some flowers. Sure. What kind of flowers do you like? I like roses. We have red, pink, and... How much are these roses? They are $10. I want red roses. How many would you like? I would like 6 roses. 6 red roses. Good choice. Can you make a bouquet? Of course, I can make one. Can I have pink flowers too? Yes. Pink flowers will look... Can you add some green leaves? Yes, I can add some leaves. Does it look good? Yes. It looks beautiful. These flowers are for my mother. That is very sweet. Can you wrap the flowers, please? Sure. I will wrap them nice. I like this white paper. Great, I will use the white paper. Can I add a small card? Yes. What would you like? Please write, I love you, Mom. Sure, I will write it on the card. How much is everything? The total is $15. Can I pay by card? Yes, we accept cards. Here is my card. Thank you. Your bouquet is ready. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye. Enjoy your beautiful